If you're looking to offer a 7-day or 30-day course challenge but aren't sure where to start, this quick 3-minute guide is exactly what you need. By the end, you'll know how to set up a challenge, engage your audience, and provide real value. Stick around because I'll also share an exclusive free trial for a powerful software tool that will make the process a lot easier. Stay tuned for that at the end. So let's dive right into how to offer a 7-day or 30-day course challenge that will keep people coming back for more. First off, the key to success here is clear structure. Whether you're creating a 7-day or a 30-day challenge, you need to break down the course material into small, digestible chunks. People love these challenges because they're easy to follow and fit into their schedules. A 7-day challenge should focus on one key takeaway each day, while a 30-day challenge can dive deeper with a broader range of topics. Next, you'll need a platform that helps you organize everything seamlessly. I've tried some of the most popular course building software, and I'm recommending one here today. It's a tool that makes it easy to manage your course content, track participant progress, and even engage with your audience all in one place. And yes, you'll get an exclusive free trial just for being here today. So make sure to check the link in the description below. Now, one of the biggest mistakes people make when offering a challenge is not keeping the content engaging. Make sure that your course challenges are interactive. Think quizzes, assignments, or discussion prompts. The goal is to get people involved and motivated to keep going. For a 7-day challenge, try incorporating small daily activities that reinforce what they've learned. For a 30-day challenge, consider grouping the days into weekly themes or modules to keep things fresh. Another important step is setting expectations up front. Let your participants know what to expect and what the outcome will be at the end of the challenge. For example, if it's a 7-day course, maybe they'll learn a specific skill or gain a new insight by the end. For a 30-day challenge, the end result could be a transformation or deep knowledge on a particular subject. This creates anticipation and keeps people engaged. Once your course content is ready, it's time to market it. Use email marketing, social media, and any other platforms that align with your audience. Make sure to emphasize the challenge aspect, like join our 7-day course challenge or take the 30-day journey to Master X. It's the idea of a challenge that gets people excited and motivated to sign up. When promoting, remind them of the time commitment. 7 days is easy to commit to, and 30 days is a more significant but achievable challenge. To make sure people actually complete the challenge, create a sense of community, encourage them to share their progress, celebrate milestones, and even get feedback from others. Offering rewards for completions or even small prizes can help keep people motivated all the way through to the finish line. Now, the key takeaway here is that creating a successful 7-day or 30-day course challenge comes down to clear structure, engagement, and marketing. Break your content down into manageable pieces, keep people involved, set clear expectations, and build a supportive community around it. To quickly recap, start with a well-organized course structure, keep the content interactive, set clear expectations for participants, and promote the challenge effectively through email and social media. And don't forget, I'm giving you an exclusive free trial to the software that can help you set all of this up with ease. You can get that in the description below. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to grab your free trial and get started on creating your very own course challenge today.